So the state of New Jersey, which is very fortunate to have a landmark known as Bedminster, which is my sort of world famous, very uh, highly regarded by experts in terms of golf and country clubs and segregationists. They have said my country club is one of the best in the world. And so you'd think New Jersey would sort of show me a little bit more respect than they have in the past, but now they don't because they recently were very rude, incredibly rude and disrespectful to my acting U.S. attorney, Alina Habba. We call her Habba Habba because she's quite attractive, which I guess is illegal. Oh, don't the Democrats hate a powerful woman who happens to be very hot? And I was looking for legal talent when I was facing all these horrible charges. And I found her on a website. I Googled barely legal assistance, and I was brought to a page called Only Attorneys. And she was sort of one of the top attorneys on the website, and they had a lot of great photos of her looking very classy but sexy in court. And they say in the fine print, they say we don't guarantee any actual good court results, but you will have an attractive attorney who provides great comfort during your trial. And she did. She provided unbelievable comfort during that horrible trial with Manhattan and all these. It was a disgrace. And she lost, of course. She lost horribly at 34 convictions against me. But during the trial, she would whisper compliments in my ears that would make me feel very strong. And she would rub my shoulders and sometimes in a sort of seductive, like rub my thigh kind of way, where it's like, oh boy, if we work together, I might sexually harass you, Alina. And, or there might have been, if it was more of a comedy, more of a will they, won't they? Who knows? So I, of course, rewarded her attractiveness and horrible legal talent to one of the highest positions in the legal profession, a U.S. attorney of the state of New Jersey. And everybody who worked at the office was complaining. They said, "Oh, low morale because she's too political and not a good attorney." Some of them said, and just not doesn't know what the hell she's doing. And I thought, this is such a disgrace. She's such a talent at looking hot while doing legal work, and so they tried to kick her out, and I made her acting attorney, like almost like one of those movies that's about Hollywood. So now she's acting as an acting attorney general. We call it Trumpception, like Inception, but with Trump. So we're just going to keep doing this, and she's going to remain U.S. Attorney of New Jersey. And, she's going to be hot. She's going to lose cases, and she's going to do great. So bye-bye, New Jersey. You lose.